Hey Defenders, welcome back to our channel. So today what we are going to be seeing about is a reverse engineering attack very similar to what we saw in the previous video. This time what I'm going to be showing you is how a particular file which has a username and password stored. In the previous example it was a hard-coded password, right? This time I'm going to be showing you an application where the password and username is not hard-coded. It is available as a dynamically created username password every single time. So how do we do a reverse engineering, open this application and identify a username but password for this given application, right? Let's see this application once. I'm just running this application. When I run this application, I see an interface like this. So the username I'm typing is Vinod, password I'm typing is Ajay, and I'm saying check. When I say check, it says wrong serial. Okay, please be mindful. When it says wrong serial, what does that mean? It means that, please think of that. When it says wrong serial, what does that mean? It means it's wrong serial. That's understood. But what does it really mean? Think of it a little deeper. When you think of it a little deeper, you will understand that when this application is saying the entered serial is a wrong serial, it means that at this point in time, this application knows what the right serial key is. Yes or no? I'll click OK, right? So what I do, I run the same thing inside OllyDbg, right? Please be mindful. When I click this play button, what happens is, it runs the application inside the environment of OllyDbg. It's almost like you have a virtual machine running. Inside the virtual machine, you have multiple other guest OS. It's similar to that. Right now, this application is running inside the environment of OllyDbg. Right now, please pay attention. I do a right click, search for all reference strings. Please pay attention. It's saying reversed good job and all that, which means that reversed good job. I think my password is little above that, right? That's where it will compare. So what I'm doing is reversed good job, right? See this syntax, you can see hyphen, hyphen, hyphen. There are 3 hyphens there, which means that my password syntax also contains 3 hyphens, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do is, see this, I'm saying username Vinod, password Ajay, and I say check. It's saying wrong serial. The time it is saying wrong serial, what I have to do is, I have to simply go back to the screen, do this again, search for all reference string. But this time, when I say all reference string, see what is the difference that you find? You find the serial key of the username Vinod. Am I clear? So let me open up this. So if you notice, my username's password is this. This is the Vinod, this is the username, password. I put Ajay, which is wrong password. Now I put the right password. It says great job. How cool is that, right? So what we did, we were able to dynamically identify the password. Please pay attention. When I type the username Vinod, this is the password, right? Vinod. Now what I do, I say VINO and type check. It's saying wrong serial, which means that the password has got changed for the username Vinod. Because the username is changed, the password is changing. Look at this. It is now giving us another serial. I copy whole line. Now what I do, I go. See this? It's showing a different for VINOD, this is the password. For VINO, this is the password. Let's try this out. If you see the syntax, hyphen, 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 beautiful. It says great job. Lovely, isn't it? So what we did, we were able to reverse engineering exe, look at the memory of the file on the runtime, right? On the runtime, and capture the data that is on the memory, right? And that way, we entered a wrong password so that it is comparing and saying, no, this is the wrong password. If the application is saying it is wrong password, it knows what the right password is, right? So I entered the right password by capturing it on the memory, on the live runtime. Am I clear? Excellent. So in case you found this content interesting, or if you think you have been making a mistake of writing a program which does not have this kind of a mechanism in place to secure the password, consider reworking on your code, refixing your code and making it better, right? So I hope you all had something to learn from this. In case you all did, consider sharing and subscribing. Last but not the least, come, let's together make the cyber world a secure place to live. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights on cybersecurity.